Hi guys, a package has arrived. What could it be? It says on the front that it's for English like a native, so I have one very, very good idea as to what's inside. So let's open it, shall we? Ah, look! YouTube, oh yeah. So this is something I really, really wanted. Now, my goal was to get this by Christmas, and I did hit the 100,000 subscriber mark in end of September, October, I believe. But it does take a little while to get these things out to you. So here we go. Okay, so I've got a little letter. I'm going to read it to you. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humour too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. And we'd like to recognise you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off now, but you're closer than you think. We're rooting for you. Congratulations. Let's have a look. Ooh, it's all wrapped up. So I'm just going to take this film off so we can see it properly. So there we go. And it says English like a native. Congratulations on passing 100,000 subscribers. Ta-da! That's very exciting. So thank you to each and every one of you who've helped me to get this play button. It was one of my dreams and I did achieve it a lot faster than expected, and that's all down to you guys. So thank you for all your watching, sharing, participating, and of course for subscribing and sticking with me through this journey. It's very exciting. The next question is, where am I going to put it? Which wall do I hang it on? I don't have a mantelpiece, but I think this should go in the office so I can look at it every day and it'll keep me motivated and inspired. So thank you guys. I hope to see you again very soon. Take care, lots of love, and mwah.